Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, I want to talk to every 9 to 5 worker out there. The grind is real, but the thing is, the system is stacked against us. Social Security is running out, the dollar keeps losing value, and retiring comfortably feels like a pipe dream. But there's a way out, and that way is Bitcoin. Let me show you why every 9 to 5 worker should own it. The problem, a broken system. The truth is, Social Security isn't a reliable safety net anymore. According to reports, the Social Security Trust Fund is expected to run out by the 2030s. Meanwhile, inflation is eating away at every dollar you save. Think about it, if you keep your money or cash in a basic savings account, you're losing purchasing power every single year. That's not your fault, it's the system. But it's a system we can opt out of. The historical truth is that owning assets is key. Historically, the people who do best financially are those who own assets. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or gold, assets have always outperformed cash in the long run. Bitcoin has outperformed all of these assets since its creation in 2009. Bitcoin has been the best performing asset in the world, not just by a little, but by a landslide. If you'd invested $100 in Bitcoin in 2010, you'd be a millionaire today. But it's not just about getting rich, it's about preserving the wealth that you work so hard to earn. Why Bitcoin is the best asset for workers. So why Bitcoin, it's deflationary by design. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Unlike the dollar, it can't be printed endlessly. This scarcity makes Bitcoin a superior store of value. It's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be wealthy to start. You can buy as little as $5 worth of Bitcoin and begin stacking Satoshis. Satoshis are just smaller units of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is worth 100 million Satoshis. With this accessibility, if you compare it to something like a house, which is seen as a good investment and as a good way to preserve your wealth, you don't have to buy a whole house. You can start with just $10 a week and start stacking Bitcoin. Unmatched performance, Bitcoin has consistently outperformed stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's the best way to ensure your hard-earned money grows over time. The path to financial freedom. Owning Bitcoin isn't just about money, it's about freedom. It's about opting out of a broken system and taking control of your financial destiny. Social Security may run out, the dollar may keep losing value, but Bitcoin gives you the power to secure your future on your terms. And the best part is it's still early. Institutions and governments are only now just starting to adopt Bitcoin. By stacking sats now, you're front running the big players. If you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey, here are some tools to help you get started. You can use the Fold app to earn Bitcoin cashback on everyday purchases. Get 20,000 sats for free using my referral link when you make your first purchase. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. And the BitKit wallet is a great start for simple self-custody. Just start small, stay consistent, and secure your financial future with Bitcoin. So the bottom line is the 9 to 5 grind doesn't have to be a trap forever. By owning Bitcoin, you can break free from the system that's designed to keep you in a cycle of dependence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.